What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to create a group on LinkedIn. So as you can see here, I have LinkedIn homepage opened on my computer, and what you want to do is to go to groups here from the options on the left, choose it, and from here you can discover groups or create a new group. Here you can see the option to create a group. Let's click on it. From here you can edit the group profile photo and cover image, and then enter your group name, the description. You can add industries that are related to your group, add location, add rules and about. You can make the group public or private, and you have a couple of permissions to further control your group. And once you are done filling in all the details that you want, you can click on create here and your group will be created on LinkedIn.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.